Friends, welcome to my channel Exam Ready with Ayush. Today we will start with a new chapter, crop production and management. So we will be covering agriculture practices and the basic practices of crop production. So before moving ahead, request you to subscribe to my channel and to motivate me, click on the like button. Let's continue with this chapter. So, agriculture is related to crops. Do you know what are crops? When plants of same kind are planted on a large scale is called a crop. So, some example can be taken as wheat, maize or corn. So, let's discuss the different types of crops. There are two different types of crops, rabi crops and kharif crops. The crops which are grown in winter season, October to March, are rabi crops. The crops to uh, which are grown in the rainy season, June to September, are kharif crops. As you can see in the above page, these are some examples of rabi and kharif crops. So now let's understand the agriculture practices which farmers use. So cultivation of crops involve many activities performed by farmers for better production. The agriculture practices include sowing, increased fertility of soil, cutting down of weed plants, moving of crops when they grow big, and harvesting of them. Uh, Agriculture practices include different tasks which farmer use for cultivation. Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manures, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting, and storage. So let's understand these one by one. So our first topic is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is the first method in which the farmers increase the loosening of soil so that the roots can go deeper into the soil and help in growth of microbes. What are microbes? Microbes are the friendly microorganisms which live in the soil and help the plants to grow further. And the example of microbes are earthworms. And these earthworms add humus to the soil, and the nutrition rich soil comes above on the top, and the nutrient rich soil which comes up or comes to the top is used by the plants for their growth. For example, for preparation of soil, the farmer used plow, cultivator and hoe. So now let's move on to sowing. If you can understand this video, then please write I have understood so that I can know that you have seen this video till here. Sowing. Sowing is an important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality, clean and healthy seeds of good variety are selected from the farmers. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give high yields. There are many tools used for sowing. The tools used for sowing is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes, having the sharp ends. So we have discussed what is sowing. So now let's discuss adding manure and fertilizers. Okay, so manure is a material which is made from the waste of plants and animals for loosening the soil. So the advantages of manure are it enhances the water holding capacity, it makes the soil porous due to which the exchange of gas becomes easy, it improves the texture of soil, it also increases the number of friendly microbes. So these are some these are some advantages of manure. Fertilizers. Fertilizers are the chemicals used to add minerals like potassium, phosphorus, and nitrates to the soil. So there are some disadvantages of the fertilizers. First, it decreases the soil fertility as the manure enhances the soil fertility. So it means that the fertilizer decreases the soil fertility and the manure increases the soil fertility. The source for water pollution. So like think just if we add the chemicals in it, so the water will also get polluted soon. So that's why it is a source for water pollution. So let's discuss the difference between the manure and fertilizers. The difference between manure and fertilizers are they are inorganic substances which are manufactured in factories. Manure is an organic substance that is obtained from decomposition of vegetables and animal waste. Microbes are not needed for their formation. Microbes degrade the organic substances to form manure. Easy to transport, store and apply to the crops. It is difficult to transport, store and apply manure to the crops. They do not restore soil texture, they restore soil textures, they do not help in retention of water, they help in retention of water. So there are different, so now let's move on to irrigation. Irrigation and its sources. Watering the crops in the fields is known as irrigation. There are different ways by which the farmers water the crops in the fields. The sources are wells, tube-wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams, and many more. Apart from these, traditional methods of irrigation are Behelki, Rahat, and many more. There are some modern methods of irrigation. They are sprinkler system and drip system. So, what is sprinkler system? Sprinkler system is more useful and uneven when sufficient water is not available. Drip system is the best technique for watering the fruit plants, gardens, and trees, and it's a boon in regions where availability of water is very poor. Protection from weeds. The unwanted plants that grow in between of the crops are called weeds. The process of removal of such unwanted plants is called weeding. The medicine to remove weeds is weedicide. There are some weeds: Santium, knot grass, red dead nettle, petty progress, and many more. Now, let's move on to harvesting. Harvesting. The cutting of crops after maturing is called harvesting. The process of separating the grain from chaff is called threshing. As in this diagram, it says about the food products which are used in the festivals. So now Let me tell you about this. After 3 or 4 months of hard work, there comes the day of harvesting. The sight of golden fields, of standing crops and laden with grains fills the heart of the farmers with joy and sense of well-being. The efforts of the past season have borne fruit and it is time to relax and enjoy a little. The period of harvest is thus of great joy and happiness. In all parts of India, men, women celebrate it with great enthusiasm. Special festivals associated with harvest season are Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali, Bihu, and many more. So, we have discussed preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure fertilizers, irrigation and its sources, protection from weeds, and harvesting. So now let's discuss storage. So what the storage means? Grains obtained by threshing are dried in open. The dried grains are stored in gunny bags. As you can see over here, these bags are known as gunny bags and placed in a proper ventilated cemented halls, and they are known as godowns. Farmers keep dried grains in jute bags or metallic bins or the mud bins. As you can see, the jute bags, which are also known as gunny bags, the metallic bins, which are known as silos, and the mud bins. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I request you to share this video with many students as you can help them in their studies. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.